The universe is all about frequencies. Imagine that every reality and every being is like a radio station. You can tune yourself in the frequency that you want to hear. If you don't like some messages of someone that is constantly talking about bad things, you just change the radio and that's it. But in order to do that, you have to tune yourself into a new frequency so you can hear new messages. The best preparation for everyone in order to become a process with anything in your life, to change your life into a much more aware consciousness or something. I always say that there are only three things from which we can start. There's one for the body, another for the soul, and the other one for the spirit. The first one, which is for the body, is to change the way you eat. It's the most easy and difficult thing at the same time. And it's not about changing the way you eat according to be more spiritual. It's not that. It's about acknowledging what your body is really asking for. It's not that being much more aware or spiritual, you have to be vegetarian or vegan. Do what your body is asking for. And if you are working for your awakening and awareness, your body will stop asking for meat and will start to ask for fruits, plants, seeds. Why? Because to become aware, you need light. And the best beings that can manifest light into matter are the plants. So if you are trying to make more clear your memory, to awaken and enlighten your DNA, so you need things that manifest light. So that would be the first one. The other one is breathing for the soul. All the hormones of the body are controlled by how you breathe, basically, and how your endocrine system works. So you need to oxygen your blood, everything. And the best way to do it is taking deep breath and not by the mouth. The mouth was meant to be for eating, not breathing. Breathing is only through the nose, in and out, and very deep from the lower part of the lungs. That would calm the hormones, that would calm the emotions, so organize the information of the soul. Soul for me is energy. Soul in Spanish is alma, which is anima, and it comes from the Latin animated, animal, so the things that move. So it's the energy that moves you, that's the soul. Pay attention to how you breathe to order your chakras, to order your energy, everything. And the third one, which is for the spiritual realm, the higher self, is to laugh more. Laughter is a key of high vibration. So when you laugh, the vibration goes higher. So anything that is down, you cannot feel it. So if you want to feel better in your life, you have to laugh more about the bad things and to be in a higher resonance all the time. So eat better, breathe better, and laugh more. The power that we have inside, the ability to create, to manifest, the power that we can awake in certain frequencies, move stones. But in order to do that, the person that moves them should be very aligned with itself in every cell, like completely, like in a very deep connection with itself. The pyramids were built with people that were working, but also singing. Without the specific sounds and singings, there wouldn't be pyramids today. We work like a battery. Everything that we do normally in our life, like eating, like having sex, like talking, are so powerful that we are still like kids trying to play with something that is really important. Talking is something that it's unique in our existence, and it's the way in which you can create by frequency, by resonance. The universe creates everything through vibration, so we have the ability to create with this. And sometimes it's really amazing how a lot of people get all the information that I am saying, even if they don't understand a word that I am saying, because maybe it's another culture or whatever, and they capture the information beyond the words or the language just because vibration. The power that we have inside is infinite. It's just that we are playing with it right now. We are just trying to figure out how to use it properly. Yeah. So I would say, as a practical thing, that in order to awaken that potential, we should not try to imitate others' potential, what others are doing. Maybe they do something that is amazing and they are losing their time trying to do something that is the potential of others. I encourage everyone to always look into what they love the most to do. There's no rush. because when you rush to go to the future, you reach the fourth dimension, which is eternity. So there's no rush, because the universe is not about heading to somewhere. It's about moving on. There's no place to go, no place from where we came from. It's a constant. That's the universe, a constant of time and space. So if we do everything what we do in order to finish something or to reach a point, we will never be happy. And it's not about leaving this world. It's not about ascending. It's not about living this matrix. It's about becoming the matrix. That whole system of the dimensions is how you see the universe in that perspective. So what happened? From the first one, you go to the eighth. The eighth says, oh, this is what I can be? Seventh dimension. Oh, I feel it. Incredible. But what can I do with this? Sixth dimension. Oh, I can create. I can do stuff. And when you do stuff, you learn. So you become aware of what you've done. Fifth dimension. Oh, now I get it. I understand everything. And I know that I can do this forever. Fourth dimension. I can change and create these things and these shapes forever. But where can I experience? Because I'm not experiencing what I can create. So third dimension. The third dimension is, okay, I will get inside the system that I create. I will become that in order to exist. But the only way to do it is to separate my parts, because I am so huge that I cannot experience all together. I have to divide myself in many people, realms, and all the things. Third dimension. The only way I can do is through polarity. Because of this polarity, second dimension, is that I can create a third one, first dimension again. And once I created something new from all that path, I become fully aware in the ninth dimension. It's like a circle. So 1 and 9, they touch each other, like if they are the same. So 1 is like the core, is like the center that cannot see everything, but can feel everything. The 1 is within, is the one that says, I don't understand and I don't even care. It's the one that says, I am. The I am in the first dimension, when it sees the dream of the eighth dimension, that everything is possible, goes to the seventh dimension, because it's all the same. We can explain it from the first going to the second or the first going to the eighth. You have one dot, which is the I am, and then it creates the infinite, which is the 8. Everything is there, everything is possible, 8th dimension. And the 9th dimension is the one that knows I am, but can see what I am.